So today I'm just going to show you guys how to cook a sweet potato. So here I have few colors of different varieties of sweet potato. We have the yellow variety, we have the orange variety, we have this purple variety, and this one is slightly pinkish and also purple. So what you do is just put it in the pan. Then you pour in some water. Okay, just like that. Okay, and it's ready. Okay guys, so looks like it's ready. And you can taste it. Okay, it's done. Well cooked. So we are good to go. It's ready. So I'm just gonna wash it. Careful because it's hot.
You just need to wait for a while until it's down. It's really make sure no water. Okay, we are ready to eat. Different colors, very beautiful.